Why does your scanner show the P21AB engine code? What does it mean? P21AB is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant level sensor B circuit high. The P21AB engine error code means your vehicle's powertrain control module has detected an abnormally high voltage reading from the reductant level sensor B circuit. This indicates a malfunction in the sensor that measures the diesel exhaust fluid level. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Short circuit, faulty DEF reservoir, wiring issues, bad sensor, fluid contamination. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, GMC, Ram, Chevrolet, and Mercedes. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.